Welcome to the OSA Connect New User Overview. In this tutorial, we'll give you a high-level introduction to OSA Connect and show how it helps agencies contract for yearly financial compliance audits, agreed-upon procedures, and tier certification compliance. Let's get started. In New Mexico, the financial affairs of every government agency must be examined and audited each year. These audits may be conducted by the state auditor, by staff designated by the Office of the State Auditor, or by independent public accountants approved by the state auditor. OSA Connect is the web application used by agencies to submit their annual audit contracts and any required amendments for OSA approval. Local public bodies under the tiered system also use the portal to submit their tier certifications or their agreed-upon procedure contracts. Audit firms use OSA Connect to submit their audit reports to the OSA for review and approval. The portal provides a centralized and secure space for communicating with the Office of the State Auditor, submitting and tracking required documents, and supporting transparency and compliance through the audit process. Now let's take a look at the features available in the OSA Connect agency portal. As an agency user, you'll navigate the system using four main tabs: the Agency Dashboard, Agency Profile, View Contract Forms, and FAQs. We'll walk through what each tab does and how you'll use them through the contracting process. The Agency Dashboard displays the agencies you have been assigned to. Most users will only see one agency listed. But if you manage multiple agencies, this is where you can switch between them. To access an agency, select the View button next to its name. This takes you directly to the Agency Profile tab. The Agency Profile is where you manage your agency's contact information. Here you can add, edit, update, or remove contacts as needed. It is important to keep these contacts current. This is how the Office of the State Auditor communicates with your agency throughout the audit process. This tab is also where you can update your agency's phone number and address details. The View Contract Forms tab is where agencies and local public bodies create their required annual audit contract, agreed upon procedures contract, or tier certifications and submit them for OSA approval. In this tab, you can create new yearly contracts or certifications, view previously submitted contracts and certifications, send approved contracts out for e-signature, and create amendments for executed contracts. This tab supports the full contracting process for agencies and for local public bodies each fiscal year. The final tab is the FAQs tab. This tab directs you to the Office of the State Auditor website, where you can find several helpful resources including general auditing FAQs, OSA Connect FAQs, and a full library of OSA Connect tutorials. These tutorials include step-by-step videos and printable PDF instructions for tasks such as submitting contracts, creating amendments, and completing e-signatures. The FAQ tab is a great place to find quick answers for detailed instructions whenever you need support. This concludes the OSA Connect New User Overview. We encourage you to explore the portal and become familiar with the tools you'll use to complete your agency's annual contracting requirements. If you need additional help, visit the FAQs tab for tutorials, step-by-step videos, and printable PDF instructions. For technical support or access assistance, please contact the Office of the State Auditor at 505-476-3800 or helpdesk@osa.nm.gov. Thank you for watching.